What does a sheep say? What does a cow say? What does a rooster say? No, what does a rooster say? Can you say it again? What does a rooster say? What does a rooster say? What does a lion say? You just looking at yourself? Yeah. What does a lion say? What does a rooster say? Yeah. What else do you know? What does a duck say?
Mama.
No, a duck doesn't say mama. What does a duck say?
Mama.
Yeah, you can see mama on it? Okay. What does a duck say?
Baby.
No, a duck doesn't say baby. What does a duck say?
Baby.
What does a duck say?
Baby.
Yes, baby's on the video. What does a duck say?
Baby. Baby.
What is baby's name?
Baby.
Can you say Allie?
Baby.
Can you say Allie?
Baby.
What does a duck say?
Baby.
Okay, I guess a duck says baby. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. See you later.